Welcome to this interactive lab simulation for the lab, Manage Azure Resources by using the Azure CLI. To navigate this interactive lab simulation, follow the prompts on the screen or use your forward and back arrows. In this lab, you will complete the tasks listed on your screen. In this first task, you will open a bash session in Azure Cloud Shell. Follow the prompts to complete this task. In the toolbar of the Azure portal, click the Cloud Shell button. Select the drop-down arrow in the upper left corner of the Cloud Shell pane and select Bash. Confirm that you want to switch from PowerShell to Bash. This task is now complete. Click the screen to continue. In this next task, you'll create a resource group and an Azure Managed Disk by using an Azure CLI session within Cloud Shell. Follow the prompts to complete this task. From the bash session within Azure Cloud Shell, run the commands as shown to create a resource group in the same Azure region as the resource group you created in the previous lab. To retrieve the properties of the newly created resource group, run the command as shown. Next, create a new managed disk with the same properties as those created in the previous 3 labs. Next, retrieve the properties of the newly created disk. This task is now complete. Click the screen to continue. In this next task, you'll manage configuration of the Azure Managed Disk by using an Azure CLI session within Cloud Shell. To increase the size of the Azure Managed Disk to 64 GB, run the command as shown. Verify that the change took effect. Now, change the disk performance SKU to Premium LRS. Verify that the change took effect. This interactive lab simulation is now complete.